Yo ebusia eba makwaba eba the fabulous zone so aha de munim dada Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsem ena ye chire mu chire mo a monte ase no ene asembe ne wo ho ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko eni je sem ba akwa beto dwae se Kumasi Asante Kotoko yenim na 9.7 buy the deals there was signing bebre was signing deals na then so omo e breaki the announcement no on the bar say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ya sign go to a partnership agreement with Goil. Yeah, Goil. You know, inside Goil the first normal sponsor that na contracts ne ende ma obi afa na individual ways but see no new management we buy no ma sign Goil Acacia ma sign 1 year agreement a renewable if 1 year no so say both parties no more agree so mo to aso a no mo timi ato aso. Now this is how they announced this partnership. They say club notice Asante Kotoko meets Goil. We are delighted to announce a partnership and sponsorship with energy giant Goil for 1 year, 1 calendar year, subject to renewal. Yeah. So say this mutual beneficial deal is a 66.5% improvement of the previous sponsorship deal that makes Goil our exclusive. I said this makes Goil our exclusive energy partner of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. And then that one any news and then abetodja I see em famre mo amhwe you know. Nti we amakotoko your sponsors no see abe 9 or 10. Yo see yo area Jesus correct one. Your view camera and your boy your match say timidity private record na it me analysis. Your Instats, your Hisense, your Star Life, Star Assurance, your this pharmaceutical company you from saying your Cedar Vites, your Seek, your Adonko next level tickets leak and as you see your Goil. We need sponsors are all Kotoko 11 sponsors. Wow, na concerning the management my idea. If I must see I had a fabulous zone for porcupines by